Hi, hello, good morning, good day.
President Biden and former President Trump face off in the first debate of the general election.
President of the United States, Joe Biden. Donald Trump.
The economy collapsed. There were no jobs. Unemployment rate rose to 15%.
Greatest economy in the history of our country. We have never done so well, but inflation's killing our country. It is absolutely killing us.
The idea that the politicians, that the founders wanted the politicians to be the ones making decisions about women's health is ridiculous.
Month and even after birth, because some states, Democrat run, take it after birth. Again, the former governor of Virginia, a terrible judge, a horrible judge, Democrat. I think any campaign has ever taken hundreds of millions of dollars came pouring in because the public knows it's a scam and it's.
But he's got a whole range of issues he has to face.
Don't come for me unless I send for you. Hi guys, I just got home and I'm really tired. It's been a long day, but we are about to make a protein smoothie. And a pizza. Yeah, we're about to make a smoothie and a low carb pizza. It turned out good. I'm gonna drink this while I make my pizza. I really fell asleep in the summer with a hoodie on. It's moments like this where I be like, damn, I've changed. I get it, it's summer out there. It ain't gotta be summer in here, but still, it's the first time I really don't try to get up and get to it though. Woo. That's what I went clipped just now. She set the pot top on the counter and accidentally hit it with her shoulder. Why does this look like my trauma? Crazy. It's 9:20 p.m. and I should take this magnesium. Hold up. Wait a minute. I'll be back. Go and get something. It's a good time to find out what the deal is with magnesium. Is it a corporate conspiracy? Or are the girlies taking it for the bone and muscle health? Let me know. Because I'm seeing too many people on magnesium. Don't mind how I'm looking if I ain't looking like how you expect me to be looking. Fairly Odd Parents is on this channel. This is season 9, episode 6. Scary guy couple. This is new. But how new is it? Because I was on Prime the other day. Somebody answered me, what is Cosmo and Wanda doing with a black child? Because the last thing that I saw with these cartoons with these black people, Velma was black. Velma hadn't been turned black. Velma has undergone blackism. Velma has been used. Velma's black. Timmy's black. Who else is black? What the fuck? These characters have been around since like what? The late 1800s, and you decided in 2024 to turn these people, things, characters black? Not only characters but generational icons. Are you black? Hey, what's up? Hello. I'm just checking in to say, look how much my hair has grown since that trim. What? I am pleasantly surprised, and it's not even all the way blown out right now. This is crazy, and I'm so happy. Like, look, are you getting this? Hold on. Like, you picking up what I'm putting down? The hair is hairing. Oh my gosh. That is so this is some new. Wow, totally my mood right now. Such a mood. As you can see, I'm wrapped up. It's raining outside, so we're not about to undo what we just did. We need milk and meat. They don't credit us. Forgive our debts. And we ended up going to Winn-Dixie anyway. The Latin market really ain't have shit. It was just bright, shiny, and bogus. You know, we never finished watching Jack Sparrow. We gotta pick up on Dead Man's Tell No Tales. Having social anxiety sucks. Mission, get out of the house. I wish that there was like an anxiety calculator, like a heart monitor, because that joint would be through the roof. Look at the rainbow. Content with seeing just that. We could go home now. Okay, we don't really like loud shit, well, especially me. The loud shit really be feeling like it echoes and beats up against the inside of my dome. You know, I deal with migraines. I know you've been here for a while. You know what that's about. The music was busting real loud and hella profanity, so not really a vibe. But there's this other place that I'm hoping to be nice, and it's like a Japanese restaurant, I think, and it got karaoke. And if not that, then maybe even Buffalo Wild Wings, you know what I mean? Like it's UFC fight night tonight, you heard me? So there's gonna be a lot to do because it's already Saturday and they got a fight. And in a way, I kind of was feeling a little, dude, so introverted. I'm fucked up. I'm out here smiling because the plans didn't change. The door was open and the music was loud enough to let us know what the hell what it was playing in there. Right. Oh, a car show. Yeah, look at them old school dunks. Cruise High Saturday. Oh, so they get together every Saturday and do that? We have not eaten today, to be honest with you. So, you know, alcohol, empty stomach don't really sound so good. So let's see if we gonna catch the fight and some food and some drinks somewhere else. This has turned out to be a buck wild ride, literally. Pretty sure you could tell that I am leaning on the back of the vehicle because we not about to go up in there. First of all, it's like too crowded, and then they don't even have the UFC fights on. They got on like boxing and some niggas like fighting with garbage bags. Yeah, it's more looking like a McDonald's than a sports bar type thing. This angle is pretty, and I hope to use this for a thumbnail. For angle, I don't have a car tripod yet. Let me hurry up and try to do this before that man comes. So we ended up at Sonic.
Channel 2 will be up shortly.